गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम आर्हेनियस लॉ के ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले व्हाट इज आर्हेनियस लॉ? दैट इज रेट कांस्टेंट k इज गिवन बाय a e raised to the power minus e upon rt, where k is the rate constant and a is the Arrhenius factor, or we can call it frequency factor or pre-exponential factor. इसके different names हैं, frequency factor और Arrhenius factor. Then EA is activation energy. Activation energy, that is nothing but the minimum energy required for the reaction to take place. And R is the universal gas constant, and its value is given by 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. So ये हमारा आर्हेनियस लॉ है। इसको अगर हम लॉग ले लें दोनों तरफ, so we will get ln k equal to ln a minus E upon RT. Okay, so अगर हम प्लॉट करें, मान लीजिए if I plot ln k versus 1 upon t, then it will be a straight line with negative slope, and this intercept will be ln a, and the slope of this line will be minus E upon r. Okay, so suppose this will be the slope, so tan theta, so this angle is tan theta, then slope will be tan theta. Okay, so ये जो है इसका प्लॉट है। अभी how this k varies with temperature, अगर आपसे ये पूछ लें how k varies with temperature, so इसका जो कर्व होगा that will be somehow like this. Suppose this is k and this is temperature, and it will vary exponential like this. Okay, so this is how the rate constant varies with temperature. अभी इसके कुछ रिलेशंस हैं वो हम बताएंगे। तो जो हमने इक्वेशन अभी लिखी थी, that is ln of k equal to ln of k minus E upon RT. Suppose temperature tends to infinity, then what will happen? This term will tend to 0. That means E upon RT will tend to 0, and ln k will tend to ln a, or we can say that k will tend to a. So we can say that maximum value of k can be equal to Arrhenius factor when temperature is infinity. Okay, so this is one relation. So what is the meaning of this? This meaning is, जो हमारी पहली इक्वेशन जो हमने लिखी थी आर्हेनियस लॉ, that is k equal to a e raised to the power minus e a by rt, इसमें हमारा t tends to infinity, then I say that k tends to a. That means suppose k equal to a हो गया, that means e raised to the power minus e a upon rt is equal to 1. So what is that meaning? Actually e raised to the power minus e a by rt is nothing but the fraction of molecules having energy, higher than activation energy, यानी कहने का मतलब ये है, अगर fraction of molecules having energy higher than activation energy is 1, that means all the molecules present are having energy higher than activation energy, which is not possible. So we can say that as we increase the temperature, this rate constant approaches to a, but it will never become equal to a.